As this November is the 100th anniversary of the end of World War I, it seemed fitting that we revisit an extraordinary exhibition by the London Quilters that movingly commemorates that terrible conflict and allows us to reflect on the sacrifice and loss it represented. Back in September, we were lucky enough to visit the West Country Quilt Show, where Valerie learnt about the tent makers of Cairo. We get to see the extraordinary designs and fabrics developed from a very traditional and ancient textile tradition, which for practical reasons was originally a male-dominated industry. On the workshop front, Valerie shares with us a delightful autumnal quilt made using scarecrow-inspired fabric from Lewis and Irene and designed by Sally Ablett. And we continue with the first sampler quilt series, where you get to make the shoe fly, monkey wrench, prairie queen and Jacob's ladder blocks. This month we meet Helen Howes, a very passionate modern quilter who loves improved blocks and who shows us a very simple technique for creating these lovely wonky star blocks. Jenny Raymond makes a few appearances this month, starting with a great workshop on how to use your microwave for dyeing fabric for our Throwback Thursday slot, and how to finish your cushion with piping the Jenny Raymond way, as well as a super tip on how to avoid a bird's nest on the back of your work when starting to machine stitch. And finally, in this 5 Friday month, we are joined by Mandy Shaw, who shows us how to make a vintage pin keeper and bunting using recycled embroidered fabrics. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.